In today's video, we'll discuss what are mutual funds and how do they work. Hello friends, welcome to ixamBee. I welcome you all to another video of KYC, that is Know Your Concepts, where we try to let you understand basic economic and financial concepts in short videos. A mutual fund is an investment vehicle that pulls money from investors with a common investment objective. It then invests the money in various asset classes like equities and bonds based on the scheme's objectives. An asset management company or AMC makes these investments on behalf of the investors. Let us understand this. Suppose you are a wealthy person and you want to use some of your savings in the stock market. However, you are clueless about how the market functions. Neither you have much time to devote towards it. There comes the role of mutual fund. It pulls the money into a fund from such people who want to invest in the market but they cannot as they do not have the expertise. That fund is mutual fund. The fund has experts who invest on your behalf in the companies to fetch maximum return. Please note that the management of the fund is done by an asset management company or an AMC and the investment decisions are taken by the fund managers. So here is a question for you. Which organization is responsible for regulation of mutual funds industry? Please type your answers in the comment box. I hope you get to learn some new things from this video. Please show your support by liking the video. Please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to be notified on our content. This is Amit signing off.